Pineapple is a tropical fruit celebrated for its sweet and tangy flavor, but few people give much thought to its skin, which is often discarded without a second glance. However, pineapple skin is a treasure trove of nutrients and health benefits that can enhance your well-being. In this article, we will explore the health benefits of pineapple skin, delve into the scientific research backing these claims, and provide a delicious, healthy recipe that utilizes this often overlooked part of the fruit. Nutritional profile of pineapple skin. Before we dive into the health benefits, let's first examine what makes pineapple skin so nutritious. Pineapple skin is rich in various bioactive compounds, including bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. Vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which plays a vital role in immune function and collagen synthesis. Minerals, including manganese, which is important for bone health and metabolism. Dietary fiber, essential for digestive health and promoting a feeling of fullness. Antioxidants, such as flavonoids and phenolic compounds that help combat oxidative stress. Now, let's take a closer look at the health benefits associated with pineapple skin. Health benefits of pineapple skin. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. One of the most notable compounds found in pineapple skin is bromelain, a mixture of enzymes that can help reduce inflammation. Research has shown that bromelain can be effective in treating conditions such as arthritis, sinusitis, and sports injuries. By consuming pineapple skin, you can harness the anti-inflammatory effects of bromelain, potentially alleviating pain and swelling in the body. 2. Digestive health. Pineapple skin is an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is essential for healthy digestion. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements, helps prevent constipation, and supports a healthy gut microbiome. Additionally, bromelain has been shown to aid in the digestion of proteins, making pineapple skin a beneficial addition to meals, particularly those high in protein. 3. Immune system support. The high vitamin C content in pineapple skin plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system. Vitamin C is known for its antioxidant properties and its ability to enhance the function of immune cells. Regular consumption of vitamin C-rich foods can help reduce the duration and severity of colds and other infections. 4. Skin health. The antioxidants found in pineapple skin, including flavonoids and phenolic compounds, can help protect the skin from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. This protection may lead to healthier skin, reduced signs of aging, and an overall improved complexion. Additionally, vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which is vital for maintaining skin elasticity. 5. Bone health. Pineapple skin is a good source of manganese, a mineral that plays a significant role in bone health. Manganese is involved in bone formation, metabolism, and the regulation of calcium levels in the body. Including pineapple skin in your diet can contribute to stronger bones and overall skeletal health. 6. Blood sugar regulation. Some studies have suggested that pineapple and its components may help regulate blood sugar levels. The fiber in pineapple skin can slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, which may assist in managing blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. 7. Weight management. The fiber content in pineapple skin also aids in weight management by promoting feelings of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. High fiber foods can help control appetite, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight or lose weight if desired. Best healthy recipe: pineapple skin tea. Now that we've explored the health benefits of pineapple skin, let's put it to good use with a delicious and healthy recipe: pineapple skin tea. This refreshing beverage is not only nutritious but also easy to make. Ingredients: the skin of 1 medium pineapple cleaned and cut into pieces, 8 cups of water, 1-2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup optional, to taste, juice of 1 lemon or lime optional, for added flavor, fresh mint leaves for garnish, optional. Instructions: Prepare the pineapple skin. Rinse the pineapple skin thoroughly under running water to remove any dirt or pesticides. Cut the skin into small pieces, making it easier to infuse into the water. Boil the water. In a large pot, bring 8 cups of water to a boil. Add pineapple skin. Once the water is boiling, add the pineapple skin pieces to the pot. Lower the heat and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. This will allow the nutrients and flavors to infuse into the water. Strain the tea. After simmering, remove the pot from the heat and let it cool slightly. Use a fine mesh strainer to strain the tea into a pitcher, discarding the pineapple skin pieces. Add sweetener and citrus, if desired. Stir in honey or maple syrup to sweeten the tea. You can also add fresh lemon or lime juice for an extra burst of flavor. Serve. Pour the pineapple skin tea into glasses over ice for a refreshing beverage. Garnish with fresh mint leaves if desired. Enjoy. This tea can be served warm or cold, making it a versatile drink for any season. It's packed with nutrients and offers all the health benefits associated with pineapple skin. Conclusion: pineapple skin is a powerful source of nutrition that often goes unnoticed. From its anti-inflammatory properties to its rich vitamin C content and digestive benefits, the health advantages of pineapple skin are numerous and well supported by science. By incorporating pineapple skin into your diet through recipes like pineapple skin tea, you can enjoy its health benefits while reducing food waste. As we continue to explore healthy eating habits, it's essential to recognize the value of all parts of the foods we consume. So next time you enjoy a delicious pineapple, don't toss the skin, make a refreshing tea and reap the benefits of this often overlooked treasure.